Hi! In front of me is Huawei Nova 11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access System and Updates. After that, tap on Language and Input and your default keyboard, in my case Celia 1. To change theme of it, click on Theme section and apply the best one for you by tapping on it. So when I do that, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you are using Microsoft one, click on it, select Themes, and then click on one of those under Gallery or Yours section. If you wish to customize your keyboard though, you need to have Microsoft one. As your default, then select Themes and click on Custom section at the top right corner. Now select Start, click on Add Image, and after selecting Allow, click on one of your photos to apply it as keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and adjust the background darkness by swiping left or right. Then click on Done, manage key borders and symbols, and tap on Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!